If you're looking for luxury, Tameron Gulf Coast has it. Brand new to our inventory, we have this 2013 Jaguar XF 14T Sedan. On the exterior, we have high-intensity headlights with headlight cleaning system, power and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5, power and heated front seats, power moonroof, and push-to-start technology. The 7-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2013 Jaguar XF 14T has less than 90,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.